Hi there, this is Stephen Leipzig with the Pressure King. We are Middle Tennessee's premier pressure washing company, 615-516-9933. We're out here on a beautiful Sunday, later in October, and we've got a roof cleaning going on. A few years ago, we noticed a lot of our customers had these nasty brown streaks growing on top of their roofs. Just in a short amount of time, we found that a lot of this was happening from trees being above the roof in this one section. And a goal of ours was to figure out a proper way to remediate these for our customers so that their beautiful roofs stayed looking their best. So after doing some research, we have not only figured out the proper cleaning technique of how to clean asphalt shingle roofs, but also what's going on. If we take a note over here, you can see some damage that has been done to the shingles. This looks like the use of a pressure washer was implemented here to try to remove the algae that is actually growing on this shingle roof. What happens is there's a mold of mildew called Gliosphaera magma that feeds off of the tar that binds all of the granules of the shingle roof together. Here we can see some lichens starting to develop. This is a pretty serious infestation. We would categorize this as a level 2 or even a level 3 infestation because of the lichens growing in here. So there's only one proper way to remove this mold and mildew, to rejuvenate this roof without the risk of any damage and anything that could affect the roof negatively. The American Roofing Manufacturers Association, the same people who actually manufacture the shingle roofs, they released the cleaning guidelines on how to remove these black streaks on your roofs. We abide by those cleaning guidelines 100% by a technique we call soft washing. Soft washing does not use a pressure washer. It is this simple blue hose right here. All we do is apply a detergent at an extremely low and safe pressure. After about 5 minutes of dwell time, you will see all of those black streaks just start to remediate and the roof looks brand new. With the lichens that have developed on the roof over here, we're gonna have to allow up to about 2 weeks for those to naturally work their way out. If we hit them with any amount of pressure to try to blast them out, the roots are still stuck in. So what we're doing today is just killing them, and then over time they will gradually fall out. So as you can see here, I'm gonna just turn this ball valve and show you just how low of pressure our roof cleaning really is. It's like using a water hose, nothing more. And all we're gonna do is apply our solution. Simple as that. And then we'll come back in a few minutes and you will see a brand new looking roof. You can start to see a foam up there. All right, I'll be right back once this is clean.